I welcome you to this lecture. At the end of this lecture, you'll be able to locate the categories which Amazon deems fit for your Kindle ebook. We're now on the Kindle store, where I will demonstrate the process of choosing categories for your Kindle ebook based on the suggestion from Amazon. What we're going to do here is the first step you must take in the selection of categories for your Kindle ebook. Doing this will take you off from choosing your categories based on hunches or feelings that don't always provide the right categories. Let's assume that your current writing project is on parenting of teenagers. To identify the categories Amazon will suggest to you for Kindle ebook on that niche, type into the search engine a keyword from your niche or a keyword from your topic. In this case, we will use the keyword parenting teenagers, like this. To search, I'll click the Go button. Then, look at the list on the left. This list shouldn't be new to you, but I want you to have a new viewpoint of the list. The list contains the categories Amazon found relevant to your topic, and they are ordered by relevance as well. For our keywords, we have the following items in the list: parenting teenagers, parenting, childcare, family relationships, motherhood, Christian living, religion and spirituality, high school, dysfunctional relationships, and parenting emotions and feelings. Each of the items is a category into which you can categorize your Kindle ebook. By merely looking at the list, one can quickly conclude that each of the category relates to the keywords parenting teenagers. However, each relates to the keywords at different degrees. Your focus should be how to target the most relevant, or literally the best two categories. How to do this is explained later in this course, but your understanding of this must start from here. And therefore, just before we go to the next lecture, I want you to take note of 3 basic things about locating the best of the best among the suggested categories by Amazon. Number 1. Note that most of the categories suggested by Amazon, like we have on the list on the left, are always too broad in the sense that they are top-level categories. This points to the fact that such categories should be explored further down to the list of subcategories. Knowing this will help you later when you will need to deal with competition within the categories. So, you need to drill any broad category down to the subcategories at this stage. Let me show you how that is done. While parenting teenagers category does not reveal any subcategories, religion and spirituality provides 2 subcategories, which are Christian living and women issues. Number 2, note that to locate more subcategories, you need to click the See More link. You don't need to click the Kindle eBooks link because doing so will open a list of categories that will be the same with the list that you have initially. However, if you click on the See More link under Kindle eBooks, Amazon will list different categories across the whole Kindle ebook shelf. This may bring in some confusion regarding suggested categories. I therefore advise that you stick with the initial list of categories suggested by Amazon. Number 3. Note that both broad categories and subcategories are cross-referenced. Don't be surprised to see categories already listed on the initial list appearing again on the list of subcategories. By now, you should be able to locate the categories that Amazon will suggest for any keyword you work with. With the background information in this lecture, we can now move on to the next lecture.